Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Faded Onslaught, and I'm going to be showing you how to play For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica. First riff, you're going to put your index finger onto the second fret of the E string and on the A and D string on the fourth fret. So you're going to go. Then you're going to hit the open string on the A, then on the D and the G. You're going to hit it once. No, sorry, it's on the A string and the D string. So it's gonna go. Then after that, you're gonna go to the seventh fret on the G string. So you're gonna hit it down, going down from 7, 6, 5, 4. Then you're gonna hit 5, 4 on the D string. Then you're gonna go back to the G on the 6. You're gonna go all the way to the A string and then 5, 4. So it's just gonna be. Okay. Then you're gonna go. So you're just gonna keep going. Then you're gonna move up to the 12th fret on the G string. You're gonna hit it. So you go from 12 to 9 to 11, then to 12 onto the D. So it's back to the 9th, 11, 12. So it's back to 9, 11, 9, and then back to 12 on the D. So it's. Okay, then you're going to come back, you're going to hit open E 3 times. Then you're going to put your index finger onto the 3rd fret of the E, and then on the A and the D on the 5th. You're going to go. Then you're going to hit open E 3 times. Then you're going to go to the A string open, the D and the G on the 2nd fret. So it's going to be. You're going to go back to this power chord. You're gonna go. Then you're gonna go first finger on the A string of the 1st fret, and then on the D and the G on the 3rd fret. So that's gonna be. On this chord, you put your index finger onto the E string of the 2nd fret, and then on the A and the D on the 4th. So it's me. So basically do that over again, but when you come back to this part, you're gonna go. It's gonna come back to the 1st fret of the E, and then D and A and the D on the 3rd. So it's. Okay, and then the next part is really simple. You're just hitting the open E and then 2nd fret on the A and D. You're gonna go. Then you're gonna hit 3rd fret on the E and the A on the A and D on the 5th. Do one more time, then come back. You're going to go right beneath it, same frets. You're going to come back to the open A, D, and the G, then back up to this chord. So it's going to be. Alright, hope you enjoy.